Hey guys, today I'm going to be dry firing a recurve bow just to see how many dry fires it takes to destroy it. And yeah, just see how resilient these things really are. I mean, I'm going to do one pull, maybe a quarter of the way, and then a half draw and then a full draw and see what happens. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope it was worth breaking this bow, but let's give it a shot. Okay, so that was a quarter. This is scary. This is freaking me out. This is gonna be half. Oh, that noise. Now I'm gonna do a full draw. Seems to be holding up okay. I mean, doesn't seem to be any cracks or anything. Seems okay. I guess we should just keep going until it breaks. What do you think? Oh, this is scary. Last one. No, I'll do one more as far back as I can pull it. This is really disappointing. I mean, as horrible as it is to say this, I wanted this bow to break. And it doesn't seem to be breaking. You know what? Let's just keep going until it breaks. I just feel bad at this point. I don't know what to do. I'm pulling it back pretty much as far as I can go. Alright, let's keep going. I don't know, man. This thing is holding up really, really well. I can't believe this. What should I do? I can't hear any cracking or anything. Okay, so the handles come off. It just seems to be glued on. It's not really a big deal. This is really disappointing because I wanted to get this on video of it breaking, but it doesn't seem to be doing that. Well, I guess we're just going to wrap it up there. I mean, I can't get it to break. Doesn't seem to be any visible damage. There's no cracking or anything. The riser, no cracks, no chips, nothing. Limbs seem to be 100% fine. They're not delaminating. I mean, don't see any real damage going on. Let's just do one more to end the video. Alright, thanks for watching.